Aradhya?
What?
Aradhya?
Ma'am, what? Yes, ma'am.
We use an instrument to
What?
see the time. What is that instrument called?
Watch.
Watch. Okay, fine. Yes, Pat?
Clock.
Okay, clock. Right. Now I am showing you something. Please look at this. Can you all see what this is? All of you can see it? Give me a thumbs up if you can see.
Yes.
All right. Now, children, this is called a clock.
Ma'am,
Now,
page number.
page number 154. The clock has a face. Okay, and there are numbers on it. अगर आपने घर पे जो घड़ी लगी है देखा होगा, अभी जिस रूम में आप बैठे अगर वहां पे क्लॉक है तो उस पर देखिए नंबर्स होंगे. And the clock has a face and those numbers are written on the face. Now in this clock we have markings. The lines are made instead of the numbers written there. Look carefully. Alright. Now again on that page number 154 we have Krish and Kini and they are telling us something. Let's see.
Ma'am.
Let's see what Krish and Kini are telling us.
Ma'am,
Yes. Please be
मैम
quick.
वॉच लगी थी तो वो गोल गोल वाली लगेगी तो वो इंच जैसे ही सुबह.
Alright. Now let's look at what these two animals are telling us. The monkey is telling us a clock has two hands. A clock has two hands, a long hand and a short hand. Now look carefully at this clock. You can see the one that is pointing down, that is a small hand, and the one that is pointing up, that is a big hand. See what the bear is telling you. The long hand of the clock tells the minutes. The short hand of the clock tells the hours. Yes, Arjun, you're trying to say something?
मैम
Yes.
मुझे टाइम देखना होता है.
Okay, that's very good. So, the two hands of the clock, the long hand tells you the minutes and the short hand tells you the hours. कितना घंटे हो गए, कितना टाइम हो गया है. छोटी वाली नीडल हमें बताती है. The small hand. Now look at the picture. There's a picture given. The clock is made in the shape of a hut. Look at that clock. The minute hand or the long hand, then the hour hand or the short hand. Let us read the
मैम
time on the clock. Now let us read the time on the clock. The minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 6. जब मिनट वाला हैंड 12 पर
मैम
है and the small hand is on 6, so we read it as 6 o'clock. See the blue box, children? Look at the blue box, put your finger there. The time is
मैम
6. Yes.
मैम my birthday is coming 7:30.
Okay, Myra, but just now we are studying, so you have to concentrate, child. Okay? That's very nice. Now see the blue box, children. The time is
मैम
6
मेरा भी
o'clock.
बर्थडे आने वाला है.
Bhavika, concentrate and pay attention.
मैम उतना मैम मीन्स जो ब्लू डॉट में घड़ी बनी हुई है उसमें 12 मिनट्स है और 6 बजने में.
6 hours. Okay, now let's read the time. We read it as 6 o'clock. And we can also write the time as 6. Look at the different ways like in which we can write the time. Children, look at the different ways. 6 O then there's a apostrophe, there's a comma on top, clock, then SIX, 6 o'clock, then 6 dot and 0 0. These are the different ways that we can write time. Now look at Mr. Crocodile on the right hand side. Mr. Crocodile is saying, find out the difference between a clock and a watch. The crocodile is saying, find out the difference between a clock and a watch. Does anyone know the difference between a clock and a watch? Raise your hand if you know the answer. The difference between clock and watch. Clock और watch में क्या difference है? Yes, Ashika?
Clock.
Clock and watch में क्या difference है?
Clock.
Yes. Clock और watch में क्या difference है? Now listen carefully. जो हम लोग हाथ में पहनते हैं, जो हम लोग हाथ में पहनते हैं, जो हम लोग हाथ में पहनते हैं, हम उसको हर जगह कैरी कर सकते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं वॉच, जिसको हम इजीली कैरी कर सकते हैं, आसानी से कैरी कर सकते हैं, दैट इज अ वॉच. एंड व्हाट इज ऑन द वॉल, जिसको हम वॉल पे रखते हैं या हम टेबल पे रख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ क्लॉक, बिकॉज आई कैन कीप इट. हम इसको टेबल पे रख के टाइम देख सकते हैं. ओके, देन वी कैन पुट इट ऑन द वॉल ऑल्सो. This is a clock and this is a watch. Alright, that's the difference between a clock and a watch. Now see the next one. The minute hand is at 12. Look at the next picture there where the two birds are. Put your finger there, children. The minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 7. The time is 7 o'clock. And we write it as 7.00. When the big hand, the minutes hand is at 12 and the small hand is pointing to the numbers, any number, same time it will be. जिस नंबर की तरफ small hand point करता है वही time होगा. Now look at the clocks on page number 155. 155. Look at the clocks. The first clock, look carefully, Abdul, eyes down. The first clock, small hand is pointing towards 9 and the big hand is pointing towards 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. 9 it is. Now look at the second watch. Arish, the second watch. उसके बगल में
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Very good. So all of you write there 1.00. 1.00. Shanavar, the next clock, look at it carefully. What time is it showing?
Ma'am, 6.
6 o'clock. Very good. Put over there 6.00. Then the next one, Avni, take your pencil out of your mouth and answer the question. What is the time in the next clock? Avni, जल्दी से आंसर करिए. सेकंड वाली रो की फर्स्ट क्लॉक को देखिए. बुक में देखिए, मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए बेटे. स्मॉल हैंड किस नंबर की तरफ पॉइंट कर रही है? यस अवनी, 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 आप कौन सी क्लॉक देख रही हैं? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेकेंड लाइन, फर्स्ट क्लॉक. ओके अर्जुन, यस. Yes, Arjun. Avni, mute yourself. Arjun, come on, answer quickly.
Student clock.
Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am,
Arjun,
Excuse me, ma'am.
please
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Arjun is answering. Yes, Arjun, be quick.
Ma'am.
सेकेंड लाइन में
जी
फर्स्ट क्लॉक में स्मॉल वाली जो हैंड है वो किस नंबर की तरफ पॉइंट कर रही है? क्लॉक में देखिए, बुक में।
क्या लिखा आपने?
लुक एट द क्लॉक
10.
अर्जुन।
10 o'clock.
10 की तरफ, ओके। और जो बिग हैंड है वो किस पर है?
12 पर.
12 पर। सो द टाइम इज 10 o'clock. All right, Avni, the time is 10 o'clock. Right over there, 10.00, all of you. Abdul, the next one. The big hand, the big hand is on 12 and the small hand is on
Ma'am, 3.
3. That's right. So the time is 3 o'clock. Hania, the next one.
Ma'am, I've done.
Okay, good. Hania, the last one.
I have done.
Hania.
Ma'am, I am.
Hania, what is the time in the last clock over there? Small hand is on which number? Hania, I cannot hear you. Unmute yourself first.
I'm 2.
2, that's right. So the time is 2 o'clock. Okay children, now moving to the next exercise. You have to draw hands on the clocks to show the time. अब यहाँ पर आपको टाइम दिया हुआ है और आपको क्या करना है कि आपको उसमें हैंड्स बनाने हैं. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. सो 1 o'clock में आप क्या करेंगे? बिग हैंड आप ड्रॉ करेंगे पॉइंटिंग टूवर्ड्स 12 एंड स्मॉल हैंड टूवर्ड्स 1. डू इट.
मैम प्लीज फिर से बोल दीजिए.
1 o'clock आप कैसे दिखाएंगे भाविका? 1 o'clock दिखाने के लिए जो मिनट्स की हैंड है, द बिग हैंड, इट विल पॉइंट टूवर्ड्स 12 and the small hand will point towards 1. I'll draw it on the board and show it to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just look at the board, all of you. Your clock is made like this.
हमने हर वो और एक गोला भी होता है.
भाविका, mute yourself, child.
गोला
Children, remember when you are drawing the hands of the clock, जब हम लोग क्लॉक में हैंड्स बनाते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप नंबर्स जो आपको लिखने हैं, अगर आपको क्लॉक बनाने के लिए बोला जाएगा अपने आप, तो आप सबसे पहले यू विल राइट 12, 6, 3, 9 and then 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11 and you will put a dot between 9 and 3. 9 और 3 के बीच में एक डॉट लगाइए सेंटर में सबसे पहले. एंड द टाइम इज 1 o'clock. सो बिग हैंड 12 की तरफ पॉइंट करेगी और स्मॉल हैंड 1 की तरफ. बिग हैंड पॉइंट्स टू 12 and the small hand points towards 1. Make sure जब आप क्लॉक के हैंड्स बना रहे हैं तो ध्यान रखिएगा जो लॉन्ग हैंड है वो लॉन्ग होना चाहिए, शॉर्ट हैंड को शॉर्ट ही बनाइएगा, दोनों को एक साइज का मत बनाइएगा. ऑलराइट. सेकेंड क्लॉक इज 8. सेकेंड क्लॉक इज शोइंग 8 o'clock. Then 9 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Right? Now listen carefully, children. This exercise, page number 155, the second exercise, you will do it on your own and you will send me the pictures in the group. Second exercise, you will do it yourself and you will send me the pictures. पिक्चर्स उसी एक्सरसाइज की भेजा करिए जो मैम आपको बोलती है, बिकॉज मैम देखना चाहती है कि आपने अपना काम ठीक से करा है कि नहीं. सो जिस एक्सरसाइज का काम मैम बोलती है उसी को पोस्ट करा करिए, सब मत पोस्ट करा करिए. राइट? सो पुट ओवर द HW, put over the HW on the second exercise.
मैम जिसमें हाथ
You have to draw the hands of the clock, Bhavika. That exercise.
मैम
The second exercise where you have to draw the hands of the clock. This exercise, I'm talking about this exercise. Look here. This exercise, you will draw the hands of the clock and you will send it to me in the group. And how you will draw the hands, I'm just showing you one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done the draw hand on the clock to show the time.
You
I
have
have
done
done.
it. You have done it, Myra.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just show it to you, children, how to do it. Look here. Look carefully. You will draw the hands of the clock like this. Can you all see? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you can see.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done it, sir.
Shinavat, you have finished your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The others, please complete your work and you can send me the pictures in the group. Yes, Hania?
Ma'am.
Yes, Hania?
Ma'am, I also finished this exercise.
Okay, very
Ma'am,
good.
ma'am,
Okay, Ahmed, good.
I also finished.
Okay, those who have finished, you can send me the pictures. Good children.
Ma'am, also finished. Excuse me, ma'am.
You have also finished. That's very good. Now listen to me very carefully.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavika.
मेरा भी हो गया.
All right, you send me the pictures. I want to see how you have done it. All right, now you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period for science.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavika.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, आपको थोड़ी देर मिल सकती है?
Yes.
Please. Ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.